Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Syaputra Iskandar bin Rizam. Nama matrix 01DE20143 from DEE20143 Today I will be presenting generic skill practical work 3 for subject semiconductor device. The topic of presentation is bipolar junction transistor or BJT. BJT are important in semiconductor device because it's used in many electronic circuit for switching and application. They consist of three terminal. For example, the base, the collector, and the emitter. In this experiment, I aim to investigate the BJT terminal, understand the two main of type BJT, for example NPN or PNP, and learn about the material used to build BJT. BJT terminal and function. BJT have three terminal, the base, the collector, and the emitter. For the base is the control of terminal. It regulate the flow of current between the collector and emitter. The collector collects the majority charge carry and is connect to higher voltage. The emitter emits carry into the base end is heavily doped to provide high current. In an NPN transistor, a small current entering the base allow a much larger current to flow from the collect to emitter. In a PNP transistor, a small current leaving the base allow as larger current to flow from the emitter to the collector. This is a simple circuit to showing the current direction in the both NPN and PNP transistor. This function is essential in amplifier and digital switching application. BJT type, NPN and PNP. There are two main types of BJT, NPN and PNP. In a NPN transistor, the current flow from collector or emitter when the base emitter junction is forward bias. In a PNP transistor, the current flow from emitter to collector and the base emitter junction must also be forward bias, but in the opposite polarity. NPN transistor use electron as majority carry, while PNP use hole because electron move faster than hole. NPN transistor are widely used. To identify the type of BJT, we must use multimeter, use the diode test mode. For NPN, place the positive lead on the base and negative lead on collector and emitter. Both should show a small voltage drop. For PNP, we must reverse the lead and the base should be negative. This testing method is a quick way to identify transistor type and test if they are function functional. BJT material are made from semiconductor material such as silicon Si and germanium Ge. Silicon is most commonly used material in modern BJT because it is thermally stable and has excellent electrical property. Germanium was widely used in the past, but it has higher leakage current and is less stable at high temperature. So the silicon is also cheaper and easier to manufacture, making it preferred choice in most electronic applications. Firstly, put the transistor to the breadboard, and I use BD135. Okay, first put the positive probe to negative multimeter and put the negative probe to positive multimeter. Next, set the multimeter to 10 ohm and do zero adjustment. Okay, next, put the negative probe to first leg and positive probe to third leg or second leg. So the base is first leg. Okay. Firstly, put the negative probe to second leg and positive probe to third leg. Second, put the negative probe to third leg and positive probe to first leg. So that is NPN. First leg is base, second leg is collector, and the third leg is emitter. Put the positive probe to first leg and negative probe to third leg. Next, put the positive probe to second leg and negative probe stay. So the transistor is silicon. In conclusion, BJT are fundamental component in electronics. We are learned about the three terminal of BJT, their function, the difference between NPN and PNP transistor, and the material used to manufacture them. Understand BJT is important because it helps us design, analyze, and troubleshoot electronic design circuit more effectively. Okay, thank you guys for watching my video, and I hope this presentation has helped you understand more about BJT. Bye.